Let's see Leetcode problem 150, evaluate reverse polish notation. First we will discuss your problem statement and understand the problem statement, and then we will discuss the approach. Today we will discuss the stack approach. Okay, so this is a very easy level problem, means given medium, but it is an easy problem. So let's start. Understand the problem statement. So here is an given string tokens. So in these there are integers and operators. Okay, so we have to perform these operators on these integers and we have to find solution. So here input is given that 2 1s plus 3 and star, so output is 9. So how it comes 9? Okay, so here is an explanation. Here is 2 and 1, and after that there is an plus operator, so we have added that. Okay, and then there is an element, means integer 3, and then there is a star. So 2 plus 1 star 3 equal to 9. This is an problem statement. Okay, so let's see the approach. We can solve this problem by using stack. Okay, so what we will do, we will traverse this string from this side. Okay, from left to right. Okay, so whenever we found the integer, then we will push it into the stack. So here 2 is found, so we will push it into the stack. Then 1 is found, then we will push it into stack. Now operator is found. Okay, plus. So what we will do, simply we will pop these two elements from this stack and we will add it. Okay, so after popping there will be 1 and 2, then we will apply this operator, means here it can be plus, minus, multiplication and division. Okay, so here is a plus, so we will add them, which will result to the 3. Okay, then again we will push, these are popped. Okay, so again we will this push 3 into the stack, so 3 is again pushed into the stack. Now 3, here is an element integer 3, so this 3 will be also pushed in the stack. Okay, now operator comes here, multiplication, then again we will both pop this element from this stack. Okay, so 3 is popped and 3 is popped. Now here is an operator star, so we will multiply them. Okay, so after multiplying 3 into 3, which is equal to 9, again we will push, these are popped. Okay, so again we will push this result 9 into the stack, so here is a 9. Okay, our string is completed. Okay, so what we will do, simply we will return the peak element of this stack. Okay, so peak element is 9 and output is also 9. Okay, so we are using here one parse int integer dot parse int function. Okay, to convert the string into the token, because there can be 21 or 12 double integer string. Okay, so so we will convert it into the integer, means there will be only 2 or 1, so this condition may come, so we will use here integer dot parse int token. Okay, that converts string into the integer. Okay, so now let's see the code of this problem. You will more understand on in the code. Okay, so let's go on Leetcode screen. Okay, let's see the code for this problem. So this is a medium level problem, you know guys. So I have explained you the example 1. If example 2, here is an example 2, if there is an 3 integers. Okay, then 4 will be pushed into the stack, then 13, then 5. Okay, then operator comes division. Okay, so we will pop only 2 elements. Okay, top 2 elements, so 13 and 15 are popped, and then the division is performed. Okay, and after division performed, these two division result will be pushed into the stack. Okay, after pushing there will be again two elements, 4 and result of this division. Okay, so then after pushing, then plus will be implemented. Okay, so I have explained you example 2 also. Okay, so let's see the code. First we will create one stack which will contain integer. Okay, integer elements. I will give stack only name equal to new stack. Okay, now we will implement for each loop. Okay, for string yes is to tokens. Okay, tokens if yes dot equals plus. Okay, if yes dot equals plus, then what we have to do, simply we have to push into the stack after popping the elements from the stack and adding. Okay, so I will write here stack dot push stack dot pop plus stack dot pop. Two elements are popped and added here directly. Okay, you can also do, I will explain further, you can also do in that way. Okay, so here I will implement else if yes dot equals minus, then simply what we have to do, we have to take integer second equal to stack dot pop. Okay, and first equal to stack dot pop. Okay, so int first equal to stack dot pop, sorry, pop. Okay, now we will push their minus, means after performing minus operation then we will push it into the stack. So stack dot push second, sorry, first minus one, no, first minus second. Okay, first minus second. Now simply we will do this for multiplication and division also. So I will paste it two times. So if here it is multiplication and here if it is division. Okay, and same here also it should be multiplication and sorry, division. Here also it should be multiplication and here it should be division. Okay, okay, now simply we will return, no, here is here once condition, else if these or these four operations are not there then simply we will push the element into the stack. Okay, so stack dot push integer dot parse int, yes. Okay, so I explained this integer parse int function. Okay, so if you not understand my teaching of this integers parse int, then you can google it. Okay, so simply we will return the peak element of stack. Okay, so here return stack dot peak. Okay, so let's compile the code. So this is a very simple code but it is a medium level problem. Okay, here I think else if is not equal, sorry, here there should be no semicolon, by mistake I put here semicolon. So we'll once again compile the code. Okay, our code is successfully compiled and our all test cases are accepted. Let's submit the code. Okay, our code is also successfully submitted and there is 72.63% bits. Okay, so this was our day 28 of 100 days of code DSA challenge, and these both code, Java code and C++ code, both codes are uploaded on my GitHub account, and that GitHub account link is given in the description. You can find the code of Java and C++ both in the description. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked my video then like, share and subscribe.